Today, we're not just getting rid of pests, we're recycling empty snail shells into a powerful organic spray that protects our plants from fungi and even boosts their growth. We're making Chitosan. So, what is this magic potion? Snail shells are made of a tough material called chitin. Through a simple chemical process, we can transform chitin into Chitosan. Chitosan is a biopolymer that, when sprayed on plants, it acts as a natural fungicide, stopping spore germination. It turns on the plant's own defense systems, making it more resistant to disease. It's like giving your plants a suit of armor made from their old enemies. First, you need a good amount of empty snail shells. Clean them thoroughly to remove any dirt or organic matter. Let them dry completely in the sun. Shells are mostly calcium carbonate. We need to remove that to get to the chitin. We'll use a weak acid for this. Crush your dry shells into a fine powder using a mortar and pestle. Place the powder in a glass jar. Add enough white household vinegar, acetic acid, to fully submerge the powder. You'll see bubbles immediately. That's the carbon dioxide gas being released as the vinegar dissolves the calcium. Let it sit for 24 hours, stirring occasionally. After 24 hours, carefully pour out the vinegar. You'll be left with a soft, flexible material. This is the chitin. Rinse it several times with distilled water until the water runs clear and is neutral. To turn it into Chitosan, we use a strong base for this. Place the rinsed chitin back into a clean glass jar. Create a sodium hydroxide solution by carefully dissolving 50 grams of NaOH in 1 liter of water. Pour this sodium hydroxide solution over the chitin until it's fully submerged. Heat this mixture. You can do this by placing the jar in a pot of simmering water for 1 to 2 hours. After heating, carefully pour off the sodium hydroxide solution and rinse the resulting material, which is now Chitosan, with distilled water until the rinse water is neutral. Now, to make it into a sprayable solution, we need to dissolve it in a weak acid. Place the Chitosan in a clean jar. Add a 1% acetic acid solution. Mix 10 ml of vinegar with 990 ml of distilled water. Stir and let it sit for a few hours. The Chitosan will dissolve into a clear, viscous solution. This is your 1% Chitosan solution. For fungal prevention, dilute your 1% solution further. Mix about 2 to 3 tablespoons per liter of water in a spray bottle. Spray it on the leaves of your plants, making sure to cover both the tops and bottoms. Apply once every 1 to 2 weeks or after heavy rain. It's safe, organic, and you made it yourself.